Hello, welcome to Basic Maths with Master Jude. Today we'll be taking an addition of sort. So for today, what we are going to do is I will solve question 1, you are going to solve question 2, I'll solve question 3, you solve question 4, I'll solve question 5, you solve question 6. Please, after solving, drop your answers in the comment section. But before we solve, please click the like button, share for others to see this video. Now, question 1. We have, for question 1, we have 4 root 3 plus 6 root 3. Now you are going to add the numbers before the root. So we have 4 plus 6. Then root 3 plus root 3 will give us what? Root 3. Then 4 plus 6 will give us 10. 10 times root 3 will give us what? 10 root 3 as your answer. This is your answer for the first one. Then for the second one, we'll have root 27 plus root 3. Now we are going to look for two numbers that you are going to multiply to give us 27. One must be a perfect square, and one must be 3. The two numbers you are going to use is 9 multiplying 3. Then this is it, 9 multiplying 3 plus root 3. Now we can separate this. This is certain as root 9 plus root 9 times root 3 plus root 3. And we know that root 9 is 3. So this is 3 times root 3 plus root 3. Now 3 times root 3 will give us 3 root 3 plus root 3. Now, I want you to know that we have an invisible one here. So let's add the numbers before the square root. So 3 plus 1, then root 3 plus root 3 will give us what? Root 3. 3 plus 1 will give us what? 4. 4 times root 3 will give us what? 4 root 3. So this is your answer, 4 root 3. So I've solved number 1, I've solved number 3. Then the next thing I'll solve is number 5. Now let's take number 5. Now let's take number 5. Number 5 says 8 root 27 plus root 75. Now, what are we going to do now? This is number 5. Then we'll look for two numbers that we are going to multiply that will give us 27. One will be a perfect square. What we are going to use is 9 multiplying 3 plus this will be 25 multiplying 3 will give us 75. Then we can separate them. This is 8 multiplying root 9 times root 3 plus root 25 times root 3. Now, according to the multiplication law, that is why we are able to separate them. The root 9 is 3. So this is 8 times 3 times root 3 plus root 5 is 5 times root 3. Now 8 times 3 is 24 times root 3 plus 5 times root 3. 24 times root 3 will give us 24 root 3 plus 5 times root 3 will give us 5 root 3. Now we are going to add the numbers before the square root, which is 24 plus 5. Then root 3 plus root 3 will give us root 3. 24 plus 5 will give us 29. 29 multiplying root 3 will give us 29 root 3 as your answer. Solve number 6. Drop your answer in the comment section. Bye-bye.